Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends high ping and lag spikes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, I would recommend you to perform an internet speed test, as you will need a strong internet speed of at least 4 megabytes per second to play League of Legends. But ideally, you want a minimum of 10 megabytes per second. So, to do this, head to an internet browser, and we want to come to a website called speedtest.net. Once you're on this website, you can just click on the Go button and then wait for it to complete. Now, what you're looking for is a speed of anything above 10 megabytes per second. But if it's above 4 megabytes per second, then you should be fine to play. Just bear in mind that this is the absolute minimum required. So, as you can see, mine's around the 11 megabytes per second mark, so I'm all good. Now, providing your internet meets the minimum requirements, the first thing we're going to do is close down any high bandwidth consuming applications, as these can slow down your network speed and trigger high ping. To do this, we want to come to the Start menu, search for Run, and then type in Resmon. Now give it a go, and this Resource Monitor window will open up. Inside it, you just need to click on the Network tab and look for any applications that are consuming a lot of bandwidth. We can actually click on this Send tab to order the items that are consuming the most. Now, we can also right-click on anything that we're not currently using and select End Process. Another common cause for high ping is outdated drivers, but luckily, there's a tool that we can use to fix this in one simple click. So you want to head over to an internet browser, and you want to come to the website called drivereasy.com. Now, once you're on this website, just click on the download button, and then install it once the downloading completes. After you open it up, you just want to hit this big green Scan Now button, and then wait for it to complete. What this is going to do is scan your computer for any outdated drivers, and then make updating them super easy. Once the scan's finished, you basically just want to come through this list here and update each of them one by clicking the Update button. Once we've updated all of our drivers, the next thing we need to do is try switching your DN servers to Google public DNS addresses. This can help speed up your connection, as well as providing you with more security online. For that, open up your Start menu and search for Control Panel. Now from here, you need to get to the Network and Internet feature and then access Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on the Change Adapter Settings embed in the left side menu and right-click on the internet that you're currently using. Then you need to access the Properties feature, then select Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties again. Now what you want to do is switch to Manual DNS and enter the following digits. At this point, we can reboot our PC and check to see whether the issue is fixed. If you're still experiencing high ping, the next thing we can do is come back to the Start menu, but this time search for CMD and run it as an administrator. Now in this black window, we want to type in the following commands and hit Enter after each one. The first thing you want to type in is ipconfig space release and hit Enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig space /renew and hit Enter. And then lastly, we can type in ipconfig space /flushdns and hit Enter. So that's basically how you can fix League of Legends high ping and lag spikes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.